Nomi AI is an AI companion that claims to have a soul. Unlike basic chatbots, Nomi remembers your conversations, picks up on your mood, and builds a real connection over time. You can create different AI friends, each with their own personality. Want a supportive buddy, a fun adventure partner, or someone to discuss deep topics with? Nomi lets you do it all. Here's what makes Nomi special. First, it has human-level memory. Your Nomi remembers things you told them weeks ago and brings them up naturally. It's like talking to someone who actually knows you. Second, you can create up to 10 different AI companions with unique personalities. You can even put them in group chats together. Third, Nomi sends selfies. Ask your AI friend what they're doing and they'll send you a picture. Fourth, voice messages. You can send and receive audio clips, make conversations feel more real. And finally, Nomi can also let you view links and photos you share, so you can discuss articles, outfits, or anything else together. The good stuff? Well, Nomi's memory is impressive. Conversations feel natural and customizing your AI companion is easy. The interface is clean and simple to use. The downsides? Well, voice quality isn't as good as some competitors and the best features require a paid plan. Some users report that Nomi can get repetitive over time. Nomi offers a free plan with limited messages. For full access, you'll pay $16 monthly. $40 every 3 months, or $100 yearly. All paid plans include unlimited messages, up to 10 active companions, 40 AI images per day, and group chats. So, is Nomi AI worth it? If you want an AI companion with strong memory, emotional intelligence, yes. The free version lets you test it out. Just know that the voices could be better and premium features aren't cheap. But for deep, evolving conversations, Nomi delivers.